my god.
Why are you shaking?
Because we are on our way to Lotte World Tower.
Lotte World Tower.
Lotte World Tower. And we're riding the train, as you can tell. We have 5 more stops to go, and we'll show you the 6th tallest building in the world, the largest building in Korea. For all of this, we used Naver Maps, and if you haven't downloaded it, I'll put the link in the description below. Naver Maps is actually will give you exactly what bus route you need to take, and all the information that you need, actually. So very easy to navigate. It would also tell you what exit you need to take, and when you leave signage, it says exit, and there are the different exits right there and right there. We're going to the tower that is exit 1, so I'm going to go by that and follow the exit 1 here.
I'm gonna go potty while we're here.
Okay, well, I'm glad I have that on video.
No, and I'll get to go again.
Okay, now we're coming out of the station, and there's the Louis Vuitton store. It's, look at this beautiful, and let's take a look at this thing. Holy crap, that is 123 floors is what I said? 123 floors. And there's a mall down below. So we can do some shopping and go up to the mall.
When you're shopping here in Korea, be sure to bring your passport with you, and you can shop duty free. You won't have to pay tax. Otherwise, if you want to get your tax back, you'll have to do that at the airport when you leave. So it's much easier not to get charged tax at the time of purchase. So just get in the habit of bringing your passport with you if you're going to shop.
Yep. And then look at this. Lotte is one of the conglomerates here in Korea.
The biggest.
And one of the biggest ones, as you can tell. Lotte Hotels and Resorts, department store. This building is just gigantic. I mean, you can't even... pictures don't do it justice. You have to stand in front of it to see it. It's crazy. And there's also a Lotte World, which is very similar to their Disneyland. You can see a little bit of glimpse right there. That little thing right there. Lotte World Adventure. It's kind of an adventure park. I should stop her. No, don't. Not at Louis Vuitton. Just kidding. We're gonna go to the Lotte World Tower, Seoul Sky, which is right here. This is the Lotte World Shopping Center. The Lotte World. Look at this thing. And then right there, where the sun is shining in, that's the tower. This thing is freaking gigantic. It's enormous. Unbelievable. Wow. This is a cool cafe.
These cabs are the best.
The artwork is very cool. This is what we're here for. The Seoul Sky observation deck. This is the view that we're hopefully about to see. And if you wondered, this place is in the Guinness World Records for the tallest double-deck elevator is the Sky Shuttle. The fastest double-deck elevator is the Sky Shuttle and Sky Deck. The highest glass floor observation deck. I am not going to try that one, I don't think. Most special construction structure is the mega column. Most beautiful OLED display elevator in the Sky Shuttle. This is going to be cool. I'm not quite sure why there's a Jedi, but a new episode coming out, I guess. And this is all Star Wars going on here. This is crazy.
Due to the high speed, you may experience slight pressure in your ears. After completing your visit, the exit will be on the 121st floor for departure.
아니요? 전에 왔나? 아니요, 대장님 가족들이. 엄마랑. 어머니 모시고. 저 위에 가서. 어머니들이 너무 좋아하시죠? 이런 데 보면 기 진짜 궁금한 누가 뭘
My ears just popped.
도착했다.
There's the tower right over there. Yeah. We hiked up there. 954 stairs. And this is spectacular. I'm coming. Just a second. Our hotel, for reference, is that little dot on top of that mountain. That was the Namsam Seoul Tower, and that's the one we climbed up yesterday. That's the Lotte World.
Yeah, there's the.
Yeah. And Sukchon Lake.
Look at that.
And on that note, if you are enjoying this video so far, please do me a favor, hit that like, subscribe button, and make sure that we can bring you more content like this. Isn't that spectacular? A city of 12 million people.
There are parks.
And parks. There's so much greenery in this city, it's not even funny. Look at all the hills, the mountains. They're like full of hiking trails and everything. It's one of the most beautiful cities I have been to so far. We are right now at the 117th floor of the Lotte World Tower.
아니 그때 할 줄도 없다고 할 줄에 그렇게 할비로 봤을 거라.
And this is incredible. Okay, we're going upstairs. Okay, we're going up to the 118th floor. And you can do this, it's a sky bridge. You can get all harnessed up, and yeah, that's not gonna happen though, but yeah, you can do that if you're crazy enough.
Here's the bridge that does
Yes,
the water fountain.
No, Banpo Bridge is back there. Okay, now I have a warning. If you are afraid of heights, you may not want to view the following video. This guy just dropped his phone on it. Oh, shit.
Nothing's gonna happen, just go.
Holy crap. Oh my god.
Why are you shaking?
Because.
It's not like something's gonna happen.
Oh no. I'm proud of
Here,
myself
I got
for
this.
doing that. Okay, now we're gonna look for the cafe.
Look at all the green in between the apartments.
Yes, I saw that on the other side. It's just a beautiful, beautiful city. So we started down there,
See, I wanna sit out there.
right up there. Okay, I'm doing it again. Oh my gosh. I was looking down.
Down there.
Yep. Crazy. Crazy. We just keep going up.
There's another one.
Oh, there's another one. Oh my goodness. This just keeps going up and up and up. 123 Lounge. This is the 123 Lounge, the photo store. We can pick up our, we can actually go outside. That's cool, yes. I know you cannot get bored of this view. And this is, right now, we're outside on an observation deck. And
We're still
if
not
you
at the top.
look up, that's the top, right there. That's the tippy top. And so we're almost there. Almost.
Almost. We're at
Almost.
486 meters.
486 meters. And that's what you look like when you want to do the Sky Bridge. The highest cafe under the sky.
전통과 현대가 어우러진 아름다운 서울은 빛의 강도를 선사합니다. We hope you will join with us at Lotte World Tower, a breathtaking show of lights. Seoul, a modern city with deep traditions such as Panoramic, Naver, and Dongdaemun Digital Plaza, presents the city's spectacular lights.
I guess we're eating at Gordon Ramsay's.
There's the menu.
Stepping out onto that glass floor was terrifying, but the views from the top of the world were absolutely unmatched. If you enjoyed reaching new heights with us today, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You definitely don't want to miss next week's episode because we are crossing the river into the glitz and glamour of Gangnam once again. We're getting lost in the massive, breathtaking Starfield Library, striking a pose at the iconic Gangnam Style statue, and hunting down a hidden secret speakeasy for some incredible cocktails. Until then, gute Reise, safe travels.
The Jetway Journal, take me there. The Jetway Journal, breath of air, new roads, new names. We're on the move. The Jetway Journal, show us the view.